everyone, this is Thomas, and just got back from El Pollo Loco, local kind of a Tex-Mex, I guess, chicken Spanish, and I got a combo that comes with 2 flour tortillas, and then I got the rice. You can see Spanish rice and charro beans. If I can get them open here. Everything's so hot. There we go. So, and then it comes with 3 pieces of chicken. So I have a leg, a thigh, and not really sure what that is. But it's chicken, so that's good. Now, it comes with a drink, and it is $7.99 for the one, all this. And I thought I would just go ahead and try it out for y'all. So we'll start with the charro beans. Well, hello, I have a friend. Yes, I do. It's my dog Bailey. The charro beans have bacon, and looks like little pieces of tomato in there, and some cilantro. So we'll give that a taste. No, you can't have any beans. They're good. I got good, good flavor. It's not very spicy. I think I ate the only piece of bacon that was in there, but they're good. Try the rice. Looks a little dry. It is dry. It sucks the moisture right out of your mouth. And it's not very good for me. That's not something I enjoy. There's really nothing to it. The beans are really good. Let's try the chicken. The chicken is really good. It's very, very juicy and tender. And it has a really good flavor to it. And the tortilla, oh good. They're thin. One thing I hate is a big old thick tortilla. Gosh. So we're going to just roll it up, dip it in the bean a little bit. Oh yeah. I mean, it's a tortilla. What can you say about a tortilla? I mean, they're good. They're thin. They're not gummy or anything, so that's good. That's good. Overall, this is a good meal. Chicken's good, the beans are good, the rice wasn't. Should have picked a different side beside the rice, but overall, I like it. It's a good meal, and I think it's worth the $7.99 that I spent. So if you guys have ever had El Pollo Loco, let me know what you think. If you've never had one, go. They're actually pretty good, reasonably priced. And go ahead and give me a comment below if you like the video. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And we'll talk to you later.